Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus review. The Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, even in 2019, lives up to the next big thing slogan we so often hear from Samsung. It has a ridiculously sized screen, fast chipsets and an equally outsized price, though one that has fallen a fair bit since launch. See all Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus deals. We're seeing more Galaxy S8 Plus deals now that the Galaxy S9 Plus has been out for nearly a year and the Galaxy S10 Plus is due to launch on February 20th. The latest model will have a bigger screen and be even more expensive, making this the ideal time to upgrade to 2017's plus-sized phone. Just how big is the S8 Plus? You're looking at a 6.2-inch display that far and away makes it one of the best big Android phone you can buy if you can handle it. The smaller 5.8-inch Galaxy S8 or Galaxy S9 exists if you can or if you want something even bigger with a handy stylus, there's the Galaxy Note 8 or Galaxy Note 9. What's remarkable is that the elegantly curved screen has dramatically grown half an inch from the 5.7-inch Galaxy S7 Edge, yet the phone is nearly the same size. It's just a bit taller thanks to the elimination of needless bezel and Samsung's familiar oval-shaped home button. Moreover, owning this new Android means you're upgrading to the most cutting-edge, VR-ready smartphone available. Having the absolute best camera and best OLED display matter to you. It's a glimpse of the future and, in a twist of fate for Samsung versus Apple, a lot of what Apple finally put out through the iPhone X. In 2017, Samsung continued to be the smartphone trendsetter. Obviously, the Galaxy S8 Plus isn't the perfect phone for everyone, and for more reasons than it is too tall for people with small hands. Having no physical home button is going to be a deal breaker for some Samsung fans and their muscle memory.